Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making a healthy zucchini bread recipe, so let's get started. These are the list of ingredients we would need to prepare vegan zucchini bread. I have also listed them in the description section. To a big bowl, add 300 grams of whole wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour if you like. I'm using a strainer to make sure that there are no lump formation. Once done, add half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and give all the dry ingredients a mix. Once done, set it aside. To a smaller bowl, add 100 ml of plant-based milk. I am using soy milk. Then add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and mix everything together. So we'll set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will grate one medium-sized zucchini. I'm going to grate it as finely as possible so we don't get bigger chunks of zucchini in the bread. Now we'll go back to our chia seed mix. So after 15 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to mix all the wet ingredients to this bowl. Half tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. I'm not going to add any sugar to this recipe, but if you like, you can add around 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well. Once everything is mixed, we'll add the grated zucchini to the bowl and mix again. Now it is time to mix the dry and wet ingredients together. I'm going to pour everything to the bigger bowl and mix everything well. Mix till they are well combined. If you feel that the mixture is too dry, you may go ahead and add a little bit of milk, but since we use the zucchini also adds additional moisture to the recipe. Line a baking tray with the parchment paper and add all the mixture to it. With the help of a spoon, go ahead and spread it evenly. I'm going to top it up with some pecans, but you can also use walnuts, cashews or raisins if you like. I try to make a really healthy version of zucchini bread, but if you like, you can also add some chocolate chips. Now we are going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. And after 45 minutes, you'll see how amazing it looks. Always try to insert a toothpick in the center of the bread to see or check whether it is completely cooked. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means you're good. This vegan zucchini bread is crispy from the outside and so soft from the inside. I usually meal prep this during the weekend so I can enjoy this throughout the week. This also serves me well on those busy days when I don't have time to make breakfast. Overall, it's a healthy recipe and I think you all should try it and see how amazing it is. And also I've listed some of the benefits of eating zucchini, so do check them out. So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.